ऐसा कुछ नहीं है यू हैव टू पे लाइक दिस लाइक दैट, नॉट लाइक माय पॉलिसी इज पे व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू पे। यू आर मेंटली स्ट्रांग एंड नो so physical so I have to go one day. What can I do for that? Only one dream, single agenda of life, mental stability. I have 10 crore rupees in my bank account but don't have mental stability then.
नमस्कार, सन्मार्ग में आपका स्वागत है। मैं आपके साथ पूजा यादव और आज हम आ गए हैं विक्टोरिया के ठीक सामने, जहां हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे शख्स से जो आज के जमाने में भी पैसे के पीछे ना भागकर पीस ढूंढ रहे हैं। और इसी के लिए वो वहां पर फ्लावर बेचना वर्ड जो है वो गलत हो जाएगा अगर हम बोले, वो फ्लावर देते हैं लोगों को और उसके बदले में जो आप चाहते हैं, जो आपका मन, जितना पैसा आप देना चाहते हैं उतना आप दे सकते हैं। वो फ्री नहीं है लेकिन वो कोई डिमांड नहीं करते हैं। तो चलिए इसी पर हम उनसे ज्यादा जानकारी लेते हैं।
But this is my pleasure. That is, I want to give natural beauty to people.
आपको क्या नाम?
योगेंद्र दत्त।
अच्छा, आप कहाँ तक पढ़ाई किए?
BSc.
तो BSc के बाद से आप मतलब फ्लावर?
I have done several businesses, several services, but right now, before 10 years, my target was money. So I was running behind money. But right now, I understand what peace is the right target of life. Mental stability. So go for that. Swami Ramakrishna Paramahansa, Swami Vivekananda. Not like anything else, Bill Gates or Steve Jobs or big business tycoons. Not like that. Business stability, not 10 crore rupees net worth. So 10 crore rupees net worth is not my target. My target is peace. So this is for livelihood. This is for fooding. Nothing else. 8 pills of doctor in AIIMS Delhi will not save my life. I know that. I have to do it. Either I have 10 crore, 20 crore, 30 crore, Ratan Tata has. So this is. So forget about money, forget about God, forget about anything. Speak from this material world. Not God, not dead. This is my sense of humor right now. So go for peace. Money, either it is little bit low, little bit more, no problem at all. Bank balance 100 rupees more, 100 rupees less, no problem at all. More. Mental stability. This is the main thing for that we are here. This is my calculation and Lord Krishna, he is my. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. This is idea. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You have to pay like this, like that, not like that. My policy is pay whatever you want to pay. This is not for free. Pay whatever you want to pay. You are not bound to pay like this. So, if somebody tells me that I will pay like this, no problem at all, boss. Pay according to your pay. That's it. So,
आप लोगों के ऊपर वो लोग कितना पे करते हैं?
Pay according to your pleasure. There is no pressure like that. You have to pay like that. Not that kind of words.
तो ये कोलकाता में काफी आपका सोच नया है। ये कहाँ से मिलता है आपको?
Inspiration like God. I will not take the credit of this one, boss. They give me the opportunity. I don't want publicity. They are giving me. So what can I do? I don't want publicity. Either I will say yes or I will say no. Publicity is there in my destiny. So it is coming. So that is. You are coming. You are talking with me. You guys are coming and different type of people are talking with me. Who am I? He is doing something, then what can I do? So this is the main thing.
अच्छा, अभी तो बारिश का मौसम है, तो आपको डिफिकल्टी नहीं होता है?
Difficulties, I don't care those. Target is mental, physical difficulties are not. Mental stability na. Then what is physical? If you are mentally strong and no. So physical, so I have to go one day. What can I do for that? So I will go down to that. So this is the main thing. Physically, so whatever you want to do, you have to go. But mental stability was nobody can install your mental stability. So as soon as possible, become Ramkrishna Paramahansa like that mental stable person. This is the name, and this is the message. If I am something, I want to do. I want to give people that become mentally stable. I don't have a luxury apartment in South City Mall complex. No problem at all, boss. I will sit on the stool. But mentally stable, I will not suicide from 25th month. I have crores and crores rupees in my bank account and suiciding from there. Mental depression, anxiety. This kind of works will not be there in my dictionary. This is the target of my life. Right now, I am not in peace. I am a dead man right now. I accept it. But one day, when I will become a mentally stable person, I will be a good man forever. Not for one day or 2 days. Forever. You are understanding what I am talking about?
Yeah.
So this is the main. So I want to achieve that time. So how many rupees I am earning every day? How many rupees? What is the target of my 1 year estate? It doesn't matter what. As soon as possible, get mental stability. I am looking for that. That's it. People are coming from an institute, one institute, people are coming and talking about me. What is your business strategy? What I should know the businessman. This is for my livelihood, for my fooding, that's it. What business strategy they are talking about, it's upon them. But I want to become a peaceful person, not a wealthy person.
So do you have peace right now?
No, right now I am not having. But
Okay.
application is pending there. Application is pending. That's it. I told God, give me eyes, 2 eyes, take my 2 eyes, 2 hands, anything else.
What is your qualification? BSc.
So, take each and everything I have in my life, but give me peace. But God give me each and everything except peace. I have each and everything. Family, children, anything else, money, but peace. No, I don't have peace. I look here and there, if there is ऐसा कुछ भी कि I can achieve peace from there. No, in this world there is nothing. God has peace in His own hands. So if I want to take peace, you have to remember me. This is the message from God to you. Come to me, I will do.
ये आइडिया आपको कैसे आया? फ्लावर बेच के
Flower बेचनी, this is for life. That's it. No problem at all. Take a simple step. God has given us the most wonderful gift, the gift of nature. So come to nature. Come to people, closer to people, like that. Or nothing else. There is no any business strategy like that. I want to become one counter. After that, there are several counters, and I will be on the top of the flower market. I will be no that kind of dreams. Forget about it. Only one dream. Single agenda of life. Mental stability. I have 10 crore rupees in my bank account, but don't have mental stability. Then I am a poorest person of this world, whole universe. And if I have mentally stability, then no problem at all. No problem. I don't have any single blanket. Relax, boss. On the food. You will be the king of the whole universe. This is the man. So before 10 years, I don't have that kind of experience. But right now, he is the guru. But this is as simple as that.
तो जैसे आपने देखा, हमने उस अंकल से बातचीत की और वो जो शख्स है, वो उनका जो थिंकिंग प्रोसेस है वो काफी अलग है। मतलब आज के जमाने में जो जहाँ पर हर लोग पैसे के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, वहाँ पर वो पीस ढूंढ रहे हैं और उन्हें पैसे से मतलब नहीं है। अगर वो हम बात करें कि वो कोई डिमांड नहीं करते हैं फ्लावर को लेकर। साथ ही उन्होंने हमें भी ये फ्लावर दिया है जो कि काफी सुंदर है, काफी फ्रेश है और उनके पास बहुत से लोग आते हैं जो अपने मर्जी से उनको पैसे देते हैं और फ्लावर लेते हैं। तो ऐसे ही तमाम जानकारी के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहिए और देखते रहिए सदमार्ग नेटवर्क। धन्यवाद।